Okay, friends, you have gone onto the Epic website, you have typed in the class code, and now it's time for you to start exploring now that you've found your name. So after you click your name, your computer is going to look just like what you guys see next to number 1 right here. So you're gonna start exploring and you're gonna get to look at lots of different books. Once you find a book that you like, you're gonna click the heart. So let's pretend like after looking at the books up here by number 1, I pick a book called Scaredy Squirrel. When you click on the book, you're gonna click that heart that you see at the top. Once you click that heart, it's gonna add that book to your library for you to save and read whenever you'd like. So after you log on to Epic, you're gonna explore and you're gonna add one book to your library by clicking the heart to make it a favorite. Now I'm gonna go back onto Epic so you guys can see what that looks like on the website. So now if I go to my Epic, this is what mine looks like. It's a little different than yours, but I'm gonna click right here where it says Explore. Yours should also say Explore at the top here as well. And I see all these different cool books I can read. I'm looking at all these 3rd grade books, and I can see these new releases. These are books that were already in my library. Here are books just for me, and oh cool, here is Scaredy Squirrel. There's comic books, and there's read to me books. So I'm gonna click one of these read to me books so you guys can see another cool thing that Epic does for you. For example, if I click the book August, I see how right here in green it says read to me. So you might be thinking, Miss Papa, it's been such a long time since I read a book. Reading is hard. That's okay. There's lots of books on Epic where you can click read to me and it'll read to you out loud. So now if I add this book to my favorites, it's saved in my library. Just like you guys saw, I clicked that heart and now it says save to library. But to make it read to me, I'm going to click the green play button that you guys see here right at the bottom. And when I click that button, it starts reading out loud to me.
Abdo Kids. Months. August by Julie Murray. Abdo Publishing Company. August. There are 12 months in the year.
I'm gonna pause right there so you guys can finish reading this book if you would like on your own, or you can pick another one. But if reading is something that's hard for you, that's okay. You can click that play button on Read to Me and you can look at the words while you listen. So if I click this word,
there,
it will say it out loud for me. So you wanna make sure you're tracking the page just like we do in the classroom so that you can be a better reader. To get out of this book, I'm gonna click that X at the top. And if I go to my library at the top, right where you guys see that heart, it says my library. I can see that the book that I just clicked the heart is saved to my favorites. So anytime there's a book you think you might like, you're gonna click that heart to save it. And then to go back, you're gonna click explore to go back and look at more books. And you can save as many books as you would like to read in your Epic library. So now it's your turn. After you watch this video lesson and you mark it as done, log on to Epic, type in our class code, and find your very own book to start reading. I hope you guys have fun. You can pick one of the books that we read this week, or you can choose your own. Have fun with your new Epic library.